My name is Peeyush Bhushan. I'm the Director of Food and Beverage of a reputed hotel chain in India, and I am working out of Pune at the moment. So the XLRI GB program has been exceptionally well. The learnings have been great. It's fantabulous to know that how to apply these strategic decisions and innovation which we actually learned here, and how do I apply it at my workplace. Well, I'm trying to. It's an ongoing process which is happening right now, and we are learning a lot of strategic decisions, how to take those decisions, and I'm learning how to inculcate that knowledge into my workplace. So it's happening right now at the moment. These 2 days have been great. We get to meet a lot of people. I met approximately 50 of them, my batchmates, who work in different domains, and it's great to connect with them also, including the professors who came to teach us. It was excellent.